Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go now to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button with settings we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here at the first place we have the Save Location Info option. So by using this button we can turn this off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so the GPS. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location we have to tap on the center to get access to the gallery option, and let's go now here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we can pick the details, and here we have the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. By tapping on this we go through to the Google Maps and we can check the location on the map. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.